Okay, now let's do the tote bags. Same thing. Go over here, click here. You know that it's God First. We're going to name it God First, but get rid of bib or whatever pops up for you and make that tote bag. I want to make sure this is AG-tote bag because we're doing Aggies. Come down here, and we're going to first choose our files. We're going to look for the tote bag. Here it is, and we see that this is white and red, so it's going to be this white tote bag with the red handles. So we know it's white red is the color. Find white red here, there it is. So get rid of everything else. It's now only white/red. Click this as always, hit next, and hit save. Now it's going to create that product. Go to newly created product, change that to Trexify. We see that the video did not show up. The video has that big picture, so we're going to go over here to our text. We're going to find tote bags. Here it is. Copy that. Change this to HTML. Get rid of what's in there. Hit paste. Boom. Now we see the video. Again, double check AG Canvas Bags, Trexify. Hit save. Scroll down here. Let's do the art. So this is the one where we find the one with the dotted line. I'm going to hit edit or turn this off. Go back over here. That one's still here. Hit copy. Barcode. Paste that. Again, make sure the taxes is off. Hit save. And we're good. So that one's done. Let's go back over here. Create another. Now we have aprons. Same type of thing. G-O-D. This part will always be the same. The title will always kind of be the same, except we're going to change it from bib or can wrap or whatever, wine bag. This one we're going to make it apron. We're going to change the tag to AG-apron. Going to come down here. We only have one choice for aprons. It's white, so we're going to come down here and hit click. And we have to choose our files. I almost didn't choose the file. So look here. It's usually up on top because it's alphabetical. Now come on down and hit next. There it is. Hit save. Go to. This looks good because you see the video. Change that to Trexify. Check for AG apron. It's there. Hit save. Come over here. We have to get our artwork. So hit edit. Copy. Put that in the barcode. Turn taxes off. Hit save. And we're done. So now, that's how you do one thing. Now you'd go back here. We can close that. Create another product. Okay, let's do it all over again. 1Z. Choose files. Now we're done with this folder, so we're going to hit up. And we did this. Now let's do this one. I also yell at midnight. Okay. So we're going to do 1Z. So we're going to do a red and a white 1Z. Let's first copy this. So we have it so we can paste it into our code. So we're just going to copy that first chunk of stuff. So we have white and red open. The ID now is that. I also yell at midnight in all caps. So the title will be I also yell at midnight 1Z. We already have our files chosen. Again, AG-baby. We know that it's a red and a white. So get rid of everything that's not red and white in this case. Click on this. Hit next. And so on, and so on, and so on. That's how you do it. When you're done with that, you go through all of your designs. And when you're done with that, you go on to the next site. But there are a lot of steps. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Skype. Ask me. I have my phone with me even in the middle of the night. If I'm awake, I will answer you. But this is the kind of thing where it's pretty easy. There's nothing hard about it. There's just a lot of these little steps. Usually in the folders, you'll have the designs. I'll try to make sure you have the designs so you'll know what to upload over here. Okay. Sometimes you might see a design that works for both, like this one here. This design worked for both black and white shirts, or blue and white shirts. Sometimes you only have one design to work with. Sometimes you have two. Sometimes you might have multiple. An example of that is more than two is something like this. This design is for white shirts. This design was for red shirts, and this design was for the pillows. And usually you'll be able to tell by looking at the pillow or the mock-up or whatever you're looking at. You'll see which design goes on which. So that's just some little things to think about. If you get stuck or have any questions, please reach out to me. And thanks for watching the video, and good luck.